Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will explore Palantir in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of July 2025, our system has ranked Palantir as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.59. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 21.6% since we first recommended Palantir as a buy candidate 23 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.94% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are anticipated. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 32.48% over the coming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 22.84% to 37.13%. In terms of a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of around 229.52%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 138.23% and 276.82% over the next year. This would imply a future price estimated to be between $382.75 and $605.40. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Palantir Stock Price After Monday Trading. The Palantir stock price increased by 4.14% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 4th of August, 2025. The price rose from $154.27 to $160.66. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.08%, reaching a low of $157.93 and a high of $161.21. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has experienced a total gain of 5.84%. Additionally, trading volume surged on the last day along with the price, a positive technical indicator, with a total of 12 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 72 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $11.56 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $161.21, while the lowest was $21.23. Currently, the price stands at 0.34% or 55 cents below the 52-week high of $161.21, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies has just posted record-breaking quarterly results, with revenues surpassing $1 billion for the first time, showcasing impressive year-over-year growth. The company reported earnings of 16 cents per share, beating analyst expectations of 14 cents per share. This stellar performance can be attributed to a remarkable 140% increase in order volume and continued growth in both commercial and government segments. Notably, U.S. commercial revenue soared by 93%, while government revenue grew by 53%. Additionally, Palantir has raised its annual revenue forecast for the second time this year, bolstered by surging demand for its artificial intelligence-driven services. The ongoing momentum, driven by advancements in AI, positions Palantir favorably in the market, which could attract more investments and boost shareholder confidence. In the short term, these results are likely to lead to increased stock demand, possible upward price movement, and further analyst upgrades. Long term, as Palantir continues to expand its AI capabilities and capture market share, the foundation appears strong for sustained growth, potentially solidifying its position as a leader in the tech sector. Such performance bolsters the narrative of Palantir as a robust investment opportunity, even as discussions around valuation persist. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of July 2025, it was reported that Mizuho Securities assigned PLTR a neutral grade along with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 10th of July 2025, it was reported that Wedbush rated PLTR as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June 2025, it was reported that UBS gave PLTR a positive rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, it was also reported that Citigroup gave PLTR a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The chart reveals predominantly positive signals today. Palantir's stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected from the levels at 157.83 and 145.89. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was activated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, May 6, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 47.58%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, marking this as a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 62 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 22 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 81 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $131.78 and $130.74. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a further decline to the next support. In this case, Palantir finds support just below today's level at $131.78. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $130.74 and $128.10. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.28 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.08%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.92%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A remarkably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 14 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $131.78. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On July 15, 2025, Taylor Ryan D. conducted an insider purchase of 33,335 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Taylor Ryan D. also executed an insider sale of 33,335 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on July 15, 2025, Taylor Ryan D. sold 33,335 shares of employee stock options. On July 9, 2025, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman conducted an insider sale of 800 shares of Class A common stock. On July 1, 2025, Wershing Eric H. executed an insider sale of 1,315 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades indicates a negative insider power, with a ratio of negative 1.93. Overall, insiders acquired 3,421,845 shares while selling 3,542,428 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $154.78, representing a decrease of 3.66%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 61 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Palantir exhibits several positive indicators and is on a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a solid choice at these current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 5th of August, we expect Palantir to open lower by approximately 72 cents, starting at $159.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.